Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Corsair Vengeance Airflow RAM cooler for your computer. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get out all the parts, pick which color you want to use, and for that there is 4 Phillips screws, and you remove them, and then you pop in the cover that you want, and then you put them back in. I'm going to use the red. So next, what you're going to want to do is find out, well, we'll get to that after that. So next you're going to take the legs and the screws and get those ready to screw on. One goes on each side, and you find where the 2 holes are, and you line it up. Like so, and then you put in the 2 screws. So I'm going to get those screws in, and I will be right back. Alright, I am back. So next you're going to want to bring it over to your computer, and you're going to want to find out if you have a 3 or a 4 pin slot. I have a 4 pin slot, so I'm going to put on the adapter that came with it so that it'll be able to do 4 pin. So I'm going to go over to the computer, and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back at the computer. So next what you're going to want to do is find your RAM and where you can plug in the fan. I have a fan expansion card right there with 1 slot in the middle, so that's where I'll be plugging it in. And then I'm just going to slide it right on the RAM. I'm going to use both hands so I make sure I don't break any cords or anything. So I'm going to do that, and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. So what you do is you put the feet on the clips of the RAM there, on the top and the bottom. And then it holds in place, and then you plug it in. So I'm going to turn on the computer here, and we'll see if it works. So far, so good. Sounds like something is hitting one of these fans, though. Which one is it? It's not the new RAM thing. So the RAM thing is working. I just got to figure out here what I did and what's hitting. So I'm going to get that figured out, and I will... No, that's done. That's not related to the RAM cooler. So the RAM cooler's all in. It's cooling, so that's good. So I hope this helped you out. If you want to know how to install the Corsair Vengeance Airflow RAM cooler, in the comments below, let me know if you guys have any questions. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. I'll see you guys later.